What's up guys, Near here, and today we're here with Ball YouTube, and today we're doing a paper airplane contest.
Who can go?
This is a glider, which I really call it glides and a piercer. So let's go from a glider called glider.
So first let him explain. Fold the paper in half. So fold the triangle crease and the other one. And fold the crease into the middle. Same as the other side. So there, fold that in half. And then fold down in half again. So he's making sure that both sides are parallel, symmetrical, I mean. So fold those two in half and he's done. His glider called glider. Okay, so that's a pretty nice plane. So next is the piercer. His piercer called boxy. So fold it in half. Fold the crease into a triangle. Open it and fold the crease to the middle again. Make sure the tip is sharp. And then fold the crease down to a center tip. Make sure it's aligned to like the symmetrical line, dividing it in half, and then fold it like that. Fold it in half, and then fold it down there and make the double wings. Same as the other side. There's the double wings. And the other side. And he's done. His piercer boxy. Okay, so now let's hand the camera to near it.
Okay, so now it's my turn. So first is the glider called needle. So we fold this in half. Like that. And then the same on the other side to make the piece equal. It really affects how the plane goes. So open it. Now the piece is equal, so fold the triangle in. And then put another one. Fold the triangle, the whole triangle down. And now fold the triangles again. same on the other side. And then
Wait till you switch to there.
so is it dark? Don't say it's dark.
Go.
Okay, so fold this triangle down and then fold this crease up to make the points out there, and do the same for the other side. And then fold this down, make another crease there, and fold this down for the other side of the crease. So now fold the triangle up like that and pull this up, and you guys see these two lines there. We fold it into the pocket and make sure that the line in the middle aligns with the crease of this plane, and then fold it in half and push this about halfway and smooth it. Now fold this crease to this bottom and the same. So there, we're done with the dough. So for the spirit dragon, I'll hurry because we just have a little time. So we're done with the dough. Wait, let me adjust the wings a little bit. And there. Just it. There. Okay, so now it's this spirit dragon. So first we fold this big triangle. And do the same, make sure the tip is sharp too. And now fold the paper in half. And then now push these two edges in like that. Make sure that the sides are equal, and see the middle line there. Fold the crease in and fold that into this, and there to the other side. And now pull this down. What was that? The open. And then now fold the crease into the middle line. Smooth them up, and then measure 1 inch and fold this out. Make sure that the bottom part is small, not as big, because I used to make the one with the big one and it pretty much didn't fly. It did fly, but not as well as this one. Make sure that the wings of both sides are symmetrical, or else they'll work out not that well. So now fold this crease in there, and same as the other side. And then you see the pocket in there. You fold the edges into there to create an air filter to make the plane go further. And now fold this in half there. Okay, and now we're here at the step that we fold it down like a normal airplane. Do the same for that side. So now I think we're done. Let's do it, Dragon. Okay, so now it's the competing.
Okay, so here is nearest glider plane. So we're testing the range. So it landed there about like 5 feet or 10 feet. So now it's my glider. So here we go. So let's throw it. It went up the ceiling. What? Up the ceiling? Yeah. I mean the roof. So I think Nirit won for the gliding contest. Let's go skip through the pier. Sorry. There. Okay, this is Nirit's piercer, the boxy. So let's see. It flew back, so it's about, the furthest range is 20 feet, so let's get to mine. Okay, so now Nirit wants another try for the boxy. He's trying to make it not come back, so it landed about 5 feet too. So let's just count the furthest range, 20 feet. Okay guys, so now I'm using my Spirit Dragon. I'm testing it first. So I'll test it. So let's see. Oops, it went up there as well. So I'm gonna use the other one. Okay, so I just made a rocket blaster to replace the boxy that always comes back. Oh, sorry. So, so sorry. I'm gonna take it up here and okay, so there. So my plane won because both went up. I said I'm gonna make another one. Okay, so he's gonna make up another one. So please watch part 2. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.